Since bathrooms are spaces that we use every day, their importance is far greater than we give them credit for. From bright and cheery to sophisticated and imposing, modern bathrooms have long gone beyond the limit of space. These modern details transform dull bathrooms into fantastic relaxation and refreshing spaces. Bathroom suites in Kensington. View our complete range of luxury or cheap bathroom suites, baths, vanities, basins, toilets, and cabinets at our bathroom suites showroom. We offer traditional, modern, Victorian and contemporary bathroom suite designs for your home in Kensington, London, also covering Kensington Palace, Brompton Cemetery, and South Kensington. Related content: 4-piece bathroom layout, bathroom suites for small rooms covering Kensington Palace, Brompton Cemetery, freestanding tub with shower, small freestanding tub, cheap bathroom suites with taps, bathroom sink with cabinet, 6-piece bathroom, shower suites, bathroom suites for small bathrooms, nearby Imperial College London and just off Brompton Road A308, bathroom vanity sinks, freestanding cast iron tub, contemporary bathroom suites, bathroom suites Kensington, London, bathroom suites UK, sink bathroom, close to Natural History Museum and near Cromwell Road, bathroom suites sale. 2-piece bathroom, cheap complete bathroom suites, 7-piece bathroom, CR 5-piece bathroom in Kensington, just down Kensington High Street within the SW7 area, luxury small bathrooms, freestanding tubs reviews, bathroom vessel sinks, 3-piece bathroom dimensions, freestanding whirlpool tub, designer bathroom suites Kensington, Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, undermount bathroom sinks, bathroom sink vanity. Complete bathroom suites Kensington within Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea and close to Millennium Gloucester Hotel London Kensington, 3-piece bathroom ideas. Find your perfect bathroom suite in Kensington today at our bathroom showroom. Call us, area code Holland Park,